Hi guys, welcome to this session. In this session, we're going to talk about the Facebook ads strategy. So once you start running Facebook ads, it's very important for us to have a very strong strategy of how we are running our ads in this account. So what we understand of Facebook ads is the majorly what we are focusing on here is on A/B testing of ads. We have to make sure that we are testing out different variations of ads and figuring out which are our winning ads in the account and then utilizing them, running similar kinds of ads more into the account. And that is how we can make sure that we are able to generate better sales and output out of it. So for that, we have to build out a particular strategy which we can have in place. So a simple strategy which you can have over here is we can build out a campaign, let's say a conversion campaign, which can have one ad set. Let's call it a winner ad set, and in which we are not going to put any ads for the time being. Then what we do is in this, we are going to create a duplicate of this winner ad set and create a dynamic creative ad over there. Okay. And let it run as is. So now we will have two ad sets created in the campaign. The first ad set is a winner ad set with no ads. And then there will be a second ad set which will have a dynamic creative. And then we can do that with another third ad set as well, where we build out another dynamic creative ad in it. Now what we do is we let these ads to run for a good amount of time, and then we come back and see how they have performed. Based on the performance of the ads, let's say we identify a couple of winner ads out of it, which we now put it at in the winner ad set, which we had created. So this way, what we are doing is we are testing different types of ads in different ad sets and then identifying the winning ads out of it and keeping them aside in a dedicated separate ad set in the campaign. And we can have a separate budget for them. So this way, we start collecting winner ad sets in a specific ad set, and we focus on that by giving it a separate budget. So let's see this, guys. We're going to see it in three different phases. The first phase right now, what we're going to focus on is creating a campaign with a winner ad set in it. So let's see how that we can create. So once we are inside the account, we can start building out a campaign. Let's say it's a sales campaign, which we are creating a manual campaign out here. And let's call it a Facebook strategy, ads strategy campaign, in which we are going to choose all the details over here as given out here. Okay. And then we can go next and give this a particular name. Let's say this is the winner ad set, which we are creating. And we can give all the details. We can set the cost per result. Okay. We can give the budget for the campaign. Okay. Any audience targeting we want to do, we can do that audience targeting as well out here and give placements as required. Okay. And now we don't create the ad. We, in this part where we are coming to the ad part, you can see that in this campaign right now, there is only one winner, one ad set, which has this ad. So what we are going to do is we are going to leave it as is and publish. So now if you see, if we go back, so this is the Facebook ad strategy campaign, which we have created. And if I go inside this, it will have the particular one, which we have out here. Let's remove this one, which we see. So we just have the winner one. And if we go inside, we have this ad, which also we don't require right now because the winner ad set should not have any ad at this moment. So this becomes our simple campaign, which has a winner ad set in it, which has no ads into it. So now after this, what we are going to do is we are going to create another ad set in the same campaign, okay, which will have a dynamic creative ad in it, okay, and we'll do audience targeting on it and let that ad run for a certain period. So now again, Facebook says that it's the good idea is that every ad set should have at least 3 creatives. Now these 3 creatives can be 3 image ads, or they can be 3 video ads, which we can consider. And then we let those 3 creatives run simultaneously. And then we come back and see which ones were the best one, which worked out. The best one, then we move it to the winner ad set, which we have created right now. I hope this makes sense. everyone is able to understand. In the next video, what we are going to do is we are going to look at creating another ad set with a dynamic creative ad in it. And we'll create 3 creatives over there and let it run for a certain period. Thank you so much, guys, for being with me so far. And I will see you in the next video.